Hey baby girls, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to wax and groom male brows. So I first start off by checking the temperature on my arm. Once I'm happy with the temperature, I can begin to wax. I then cleanse the area to make sure it's free from any oil or dirt. I then like to brush the brows into place and then I draw in a rough guide to where I want to wax. So my client has asked for them to still look masculine. So I want to be careful of not taking too much away, but I still want to make them a little more groomed. So I'm only going to take the untidy hairs away to achieve this look. Using my favourite Star Pearl Azaleen wax, I start in the middle of the brows and I spread the wax until I'm happy where it's placed. I then go in with my wax strips and remove the wax. I like to use narrow strips for this area as I can see exactly what hair I have under the strips, and this allows me to never take too much hair away. As you can see, some shorter, more stubborn hairs are still there, so I just want to tweeze them out before I move on to my next area. Using my wax, I then go under the first brow and spread my wax as evenly as possible to the area I want to wax. I then go over the area, smoothing out the wax until I am happy where it's sat. I then grab my wax strips and in small sections I begin to remove the strips using firm pressure on the skin to keep it taut. I repeat this until the area is clear from wax. I always like to complete one brow before I move on to the other brow, but some people like to work with both brows, switching the wax to and fro. There is no right or wrong way, whatever you feel more comfortable with. When I apply this last strip, I didn't quite cover all the wax. The reason being was because I thought I wanted to keep those hairs so they didn't look too arched and groomed. So I used a little oil to remove the wax residue and I gave them a little brush to see if I needed those hairs or not. I actually then decided I wanted a few more hairs tweezed. Moving over to the next brow, I repeat the same steps. Remember, when working with wax, you can rework the product until you are fully satisfied. Don't be afraid to move it on the skin after your first application. Again, with my wax strips, I then wax those hairs. I annoyingly missed that little bit, so I just went back over it. Using my oil again, I just wipe away any stickiness and then wipe clean with a dry cotton pad. I always like to thread after I have waxed. This just allows me to grab all those fair fluffy hairs that are hiding around the brow area. I then grab a cotton pad and using some after lotion, I begin to soothe all the area to calm the skin. This feels like heaven after a wax. If you know, you know. I give them one final brush and notice one brow has a little hive appear. This is totally normal. Some people's skin are more prone to hives than others. Please don't ever worry, they will soon go down within an hour or so. And that's the brows all finished. So I try to keep them neat while still keeping them masculine. I feel these look so much better for him. They look tidy, I've gave them a tidy up and made him look a little more groomed. Also, I'm very envious of these brows. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please like and subscribe for more videos like these, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!